In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can crop image in Google Docs. So let's get started. So open your Google Docs, okay? Then we just need to simply insert an image, okay? So I have this image from here. So once you have that image and how we can crop this image is just very easy. We just have to simply select the image. So in order to select it, just simply click on it. And here you can find the option crop image, okay? Then you can simply crop it. You just need to move these lines for this desired size for your image, okay? And that's it. That's how you can easily crop an image in Microsoft Word. Like in Google Docs. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.